Alright, welcome to today. We have a ceiling that fell down. It is due to the air handler leaking. Nice new pretty air handler somebody installed. They did a fantastic job hooking that up too. And so I have the condensate line. And condensate line backed up. They do, however, have this SS2 safety switch. So when the primary backs up, it'll shut the, SS2 will flip up right there, push up on this float right here, and shut it down. Except that they have a vented T lower than the switch.